Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is September 22nd, 2025. Apologize for the audio issues. Well, I want to make a video on this because it's a pretty good topic, I think. Intel Arc B580, the prices have been stabilized. This is reported by, sorry, not this one right here, WCCF Tech. Intel Arc B580 prices have stabilized. The GPU gets listed for $250, $49, $250, same thing, on some major retailers. So the Arc B580 is the most affordable 12 gig current gen card available to gamers, and it is currently experiencing good availability on major retailers. Arc B580 drops to $249 on Newegg and Walmart. Several custom editions are now selling for $250 to $270. So a few months ago, finding an Arc B580 for under $300 was a challenge. In some cases, the prices would be close to $350, but thankfully things are looking good for the fastest Battlemage GPU, the B580, which launched in December last year. Was hardly available for several months and saw a bigger paper launch than the RTX 5090. At the moment, the GPU is now enjoying good availability on multiple major retailers such as Newegg and Walmart. So yeah, guys, enough reading. So the Arc B580 is selling at $249. That is the official MSRP. So you guys remember months ago people were complaining. There's no GPUs that are selling at MSRP. This is ridiculous. There's no stock. The stock is low. No MSRP. What's going on? Well, now there's a bunch of stock. Stock is available. Stock is improved. And also, the GPU has been selling at MSRP. The Intel Arc B580, that is the limited edition version, that is the Intel branded card, is $250 on Newegg. The Onyx Odyssey, which is the Onyx AIB card. Onyx is they're under the same umbrella as Sapphire GPUs. You know, the Sapphire AIB that releases, you know, the Sapphire GPUs for AMD. They it's so pretty much you could kind of say Onyx equals Sapphire, or Sapphire equals Onyx. They're selling the Odyssey model for the B580 for $250 as well, and also at Walmart, which I didn't even know that they had the GPUs on sale at Walmart, but they do. And also the Arc B580 that are selling between $260 and $280 is the Onyx Lumi edition. That is the white card. It's pretty much the Odyssey, the Onyx Odyssey and Lumi are pretty much the same card. The Lumi is just white. It just comes in the white color. The ASRock Steel Legend, that is still $270 on Newegg and $280 on Walmart. And the ASRock Challenger B580 is $260 on Newegg and $260 at Walmart. So, and here's also this website. It's called nowinstock.net. Pretty much shows you what the current stock is, status, out of stock, the last price that it was listed at, and the last time it was available. So, as you can see, 240 or 250. 250, 250. All right, so three models of the B580 that are selling at MSRP, and then you have all the ones that are in stock. They're in stock, right? So $300 for the Nitro, the Acer Nitro, the Challenger, like we said, the Steel Legend, the Onyx Lumi, and Onyx Odyssey. So that's it, guys. And as you can see, the last available was today, so September 22nd. In stock, 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 in stock. Well, there we go. That's a whole lot of stock. And then you have the Sparkle Titan. I wish Sparkle had more stock available for their models, and I wish they went on sale frequently as well, or yeah, they just had more of the Sparkle GPUs available for people to buy. But yeah, B580, great GPU. It is currently in stock. Unfortunately, Amazon and Newegg and B&H, these are all just US e-tailers or retailers, whatever. So if you're watching this from Europe or somewhere else, I don't know, Canada or something, South America, unfortunately this is not for you. This is only for US. But yeah, stock is available. I don't know, maybe in Canada or Europe or South America there's a lot of stock as well. But yeah, I just want to make this video, man, and I don't know, maybe you guys think because they're gonna be releasing the B770 like next month or something, or 2 months from now, Q4, which is why they're just ramping up all this stock to just push out and get rid of, so they can, begin promoting and marketing and pushing the B770. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. That's it for today. Take care, everyone. Peace.